Hey guys, Sabellan here, and today we're just taking a quick look, unboxing, and sound test of the M-Audio AV32 multimedia monitor speakers. So on the front of the box they just have the picture of the speakers. On the side is the same thing, and then on the back it shows you a whole bunch of information. So let's just take a quicker up close look. It says upgrade your sound with the AV32 monitor speakers. Here's the specs. They got a 3-inch polypropylene coated woofer, offers tight accurate bass, a 1-inch ferrofluid coated silk dome tweeter. I don't know what the hell that is. OptiImage 4 tweeter waveguides. It's 10-watt amplifier per speaker channel, so per this speaker and this speaker is both 10 watts. They got a front auxiliary input, so you don't have to unplug it from the back. And then you got a headphone output and volume control. So let me put you guys on the tripod and we'll start this unboxing. Alright, now that you guys are on the tripod, let's get to unboxing this. So let me just grab my knife here and let's get into this box. So cut the tape. I just ordered these on Amazon yesterday and they came in the mail today. Thank God for Amazon Prime. Their shipping's fantastic. So box is a little bit broken there, but I don't mind. So right up top we got these little rubber feet to put on the bottom of the speakers. I'll probably do that in a bit. Then we also got the user's guide. If you're incompetent and you don't know how to set up speakers, this is for you. And then this one is your warranty and health and safety manual. Health and safety is exactly what you need when you buy loudspeakers, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what they think. So some styrofoam. And then right here we got the RCA to 1/4-inch jack. We got the 1/4-inch auxiliary cord for the front, and then here we got our speaker wire, because we need speaker wire to connect the two. And then again, here's the RCA to 1/4-inch jack, and then your 1/4-inch auxiliary cord. These are all silver plated. And then you got your power cable, 2-prong, just like an Xbox had in the end. Let's open that up as well and get that out on the keyboard. So let's pull out this speaker. So this is just a slave speaker. This one's the non-powered one. This one just runs off the speaker wire from the 10 watt amp in the other speaker. Oh, they tape this up real well. So let's just do that. So here's one of them. So with the cones in the domes in the center, if you have kids or whatever, you can press in it and it just returns back out, as does the tweeter. But it's a little bit stiffer. Let's throw that back in the box. Come on, there we go. So here's one of them. Damn, that's a good looking speaker actually. So this is the right channel, and here's your positive, negative terminals. Tight fit on my desk, but it works. And then here's the left one. Let me just quickly pull that out of the wrap as well. So same thing, it's on the bottom. And all taped up real nicely. So I bought these for my other channel, 403 Media. I'm starting to create some music. I only have one song posted up there at the moment, but I'm gonna try and get better. So here's the other speaker. Here's your auxiliary input, your headphone jack, your volume control. Again, M Audio, so the brand, of course. Again, the same kind of design on the domes, where you can push them in and they just pop back out. Real nice. Then on the back of this one, it's the powered one, so it's different. This one has your power switch, your power jack, 100 to 240 volt, your RCA inputs, and then your speaker wire plugs. So that's about all there is to see on the actual speakers. So let me quickly set them up, and then we'll take a look at how they sound. Alright, so now I got them set up. Here's the left channel with the volume control. And here's the right one, just a slave. Right now I got some Netflix Cole playing. I'm just gonna restart that. Then let's give her a listen.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I'll never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Alright, the next song I'm going to put on is also by Netflix. It's called Badass.
The wind is blowing through her hair. We like to head out on the road. And you know we don't really care, cause we're just doing what we want. She likes it when I treat her good. She likes it when I treat her bad. She likes to travel all around. I take her everywhere and back. Yeah, oh, you fucking with the man, girl. You throw it right back, no, I like that. I'ma bite back, you know I become a fan, girl. The way you throw back like a Kodak, girl, you own that. Cruise around without a plan, girl. We'll never go back, girl, you know that. You were so bad, let's just spend a couple grand, girl. You know you're fucking with the man, girl. Yeah. Oh, you could've been a good girl, but instead you chose a real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me and never look back. We're living life like a badass. Oh, you could've been a good girl, but instead you chose a real world. Yeah, you've always been a savage. Oh, you've always been a bad chick. Cruising PCH with the top down, drop down, headed nowhere fast, never stop now, not now. We ain't slowing down, never knowing now. We just head aside, what it's all about, never had a doubt. Yeah, she be sitting shotgun, she a hot one in the hot sun, crop top on, I'm a hop on. Every single day, head a different way, never stay in place. Don't care what they say, we gon' do it anyway. Always on my side, oh, we're living life right. Every night we just drive by, cruising high life, we're alive, not just getting by.
Alright, well that gives you guys a sound, or a test of the sound. I don't know how well it's going to come through on my microphone, on my phone, but in person they sound amazing. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some comments, tips, tricks on what I can do to make the videos better. Any content creation tips are greatly appreciated. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. My name's Anthony. And peace out.
I don't care if you got issues. Daddy left, but I'm with you. So come with me, never look back. We're living life like a badass. Oh, you could